It's Tuesday, second day of shadowing. Let's go. Day is over. I'm home, but it's raining outside. I'm gonna try to cook something, so I'm gonna go up to the grocery store nearby and grab something that I can possibly cook. So I'm back. Yeah, I really blanked out in there because I was so hungry and I didn't film anything in there. It's basically like a Walmart type place. Alright, I'm gonna open this knife. Whoa, razor sharp. This looks really nice. This, and then I have this cutting board. Alright, so I got some oil, some vinegar. I hope this is the right one. I'm not actually sure. It smells like vinegar. Oh, thank goodness I have a knife now. And I got some soy sauce. Got some onions. So basically I couldn't really get anything that I couldn't refrigerate because I don't have a refrigerator yet. I have tofu vegetables. 30% off. Only costs 125 yen. Salt, pepper. And this was on sale as well. The meat, it's 390 yen for 439 grams. And some garlic. This thing is like super solid. Look at it. That's cool. I'm gonna use this guy. There you go. Pops in. Awesome. I'm really hungry and so I'm gonna go get some snacks. Actually eat a little bit while I cook this. Alright, I'm gonna go to the kombini. Okay, so I'm back. What I forgot were towels, which I found a set of 5 in 7-Eleven. Perfect, now I can wipe this guy. Barley tea. Then I got this, which is Asahi Clear Cooler. I'm gonna drink some right now. Kanpai. Very good. And I could not escape the onigiri. Mentai takana, leaf mustard and cod roe. Shirasu, white bits. Tokimaku. So good. I can't go to 7-Eleven without getting Nanachiki because this is fire. Look at it. It's so beautiful. Alright, let's taste this leaf mustard and mentaiko. Hope it's good. It's almost like half-half. I thought it was mixed. Some more nanachiki. One more. First off, I'm gonna chop up some onions. Induction heating, it heats up fast. We got some tofu. It's only been like a couple minutes, but oh my goodness, already like hopping in there. Okay, let's see what happens in there because this is packed to the brim of this little pot. Okay, I think it's actually overcooked now. Just let it cool down here. Cabbage. This is basically adobo. I guess I can eat something in the morning. This is absolute failure. Ugh, looks disgusting. Let's taste that meat because it just looks... It's not too bad, it's just these little circular things are delicious. The meat, it's so overcooked. Vegetables taste good, it's just the meat. It dried up. I'm so used to cooking with a fire, with induction heating, it's so fast. You just gotta be ready to put everything, just boom, boom, boom. That's pretty much it. I'm just gonna be chilling now. See you guys. Yo, so it's the first time I'm gonna be teaching on my own. I'm pretty nervous. But let's see what happens. It'll be third graders and sixth graders and fourth graders. Let's do it. Well, first time I did it without the teacher who I shadowed. I think it went all right. Definitely gotta be very flexible when you're doing this kind of job. You either gotta learn how to be able to take the lead or let the teacher take the lead. I just want to come up with something really fun for the kids though. Something that will blow their minds. But apparently something as simple as rock, paper, scissors can make them super excited. Today one of the students asked, "Do you have a girlfriend?" And I said yes, and she was mind blown. The kids are hilarious. Anyways, I'm hoping the refrigerator will come in the next hour. So one of my fears, speaking with business people, because they're trained to speak in Keigo or like the polite speech. I got a call today. I knew I was gonna get a call for the arrival of my refrigerator, but the thing is, I couldn't answer because I was at work. I was in the school. So I decided to call them back, and I was like, here we go. But I was kind of able to understand, and it kind of helps that I say my name, and then they're like, oh no, this is a foreigner. And yet they still speak with extremely high level Japanese. I guess they probably have a set route, and they were trying to call me to say that they're gonna drop it off right now. I guess Wonder Rex, the place I bought the refrigerator from, they're not the ones delivering it. They have an actual delivery service as well. So they called me back just now and said that it would have to be Friday. But for now, I will be eating adobo-like thing. It still tastes... The meat is still kind of dry now. Or maybe it's just the quality of the meat is not that good. I'm gonna go check out Kasumi today. There's another grocery store and see what they got. And that is a discount guy who manually goes around the store and puts discount labels on the perishables so nothing goes to waste before the store closes. For example, some of these sushi have 20%, 30% or even 40% off. These egg ones also have discount labels, are usually red and yellow. I thought this was the store mascot, but no, it's just a demon because it's Setsubun. Yep, more discounts. Discounts, discounts, discounts. I love it. I love it so much. Check out this. More discounts. Actually, I'm gonna grab this one. I'm not gonna take it home. Yeah. So I bought some food at Kasumi. I also got this jug. Check out my jug. It's 2.1 liters, so I can make tea and other things. I bought cups. Listerine. Somebody grabbed this in front of me and it's Kirin, so I went and grabbed it. And tea bags. Cheese in chikuwa. I think the thing that I cooked yesterday, that's called chikuwa, and that this has cheese in it, and then it's made with tempura batter. And this has tempura veggies like onions and carrots and stuff. Hijiki, which is like seaweed salad type thing. And then I got this meal. This was also discounted. It's in like the bento section. And I asked an employee, like, do you guys have microwaves? And he seemed confused at first. And I was like, oh, I want to heat this up. And he was like, okay, let me take you over there. And mind you, he's like on the opposite corner of where the microwave was. It's like a good walk. But he took me there anyways. That's how it is in Japan. In the US, it would be like, it's over there. Now, I went to go microwave this, and it was for 3 minutes. Part of the plastic started melting. Got forbidden seaweed here. Itadakimasu. Okay. This is really dumb, but I thought it was chicken. It's oysters. Oh, this is the Kirin that I like. So I guess it imitates draft beer. Cheese in. Oh my god. There's a chikuwa. And then inside, there's cheese. That is amazing. Whoever came up with that is genius. And it's not like cheese. It's more like cream cheese. Chiqui, ¿cómo estás? Veggie tempura. It's like really oily. You. Don't know if that was clear, but Thursday, it's burnable trash day. So I popped it in our little cage that we have. A lot of houses actually don't have that. The ones outside, they were incorrectly sorted. They are PET, PET bottles, and those are recyclables, and they're not supposed to go into those yellow burnable garbage plastic bags that are designated by the city. So they won't collect them. They're just chilling there for all eternity until somebody claims responsibility. Oh well, week is almost over, so I can go shopping for more furniture. Yo, good morning. It's Friday finally. It's not quite my full week yet, especially not on my own, but it's Friday, so I can go shopping again. But yeah, today, teaching some 6th graders. Let's do it. Today the weather forecast is 1 degree Celsius. It's pretty cold. I kind of like the cold, except for the fact that I have to wear so much clothes. Let's get to school. Oh yeah, I remembered the little garbage cage that we have. So I put in the burnable trash yesterday for the first time, and I wasn't sure if they would grab it because I don't know if I did it correctly, but they did. It was empty when I saw it this morning, but somebody put trash in there again, even though it's not the right day. I don't know what they're doing. Okay, all right. And first week done. It is definitely colder right now than yesterday because it rained in the middle of the day. So I feel like that made it colder right now. And today actually they had calligraphy for the first 2 periods, at least 6th grade class. And so I didn't have to go teach them, but I did go in to see them do calligraphy, and it was really cool. I really wanted to film it and put it up onto this video, but I don't want to risk anything, so I didn't film it. But suffice to say, it's super cool watching them practice calligraphy. And it's like big calligraphy, like in the gymnasium. Some of them were messing around, but a lot of them were really like focused. And the cool thing is what they were trying to say was shorai no yume, which is future dream. I asked one of them, like, what's your dream? And she didn't answer me, but I said, my dream is to become rich. And then after class, I knew I needed to get home. So I asked my fellow teacher, I was wondering like, hey, what are you gonna eat? And he was like, yeah, I'm feeling like I'm down for some ramen, because that's been my ritual for Fridays. And I was like, gosh, yeah, I'd love to join you, but I gotta wait for my stuff to arrive tonight. And one of them is in the range of 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. So I don't want to miss that. But he said they'll wait for me. And so when we were walking home, trying to get home before 5, and there's a couple of kids who like ran and like followed us, and they were like, we know where you live. And we're like, oh great. And my fellow teacher was like, yeah, they probably know where we live because a lot of them live in this area. And I'm like, great. We kind of like let them walk past our house, and we walked past it too, to pretend that that's not our house, and we were going towards the convenience store. I'm already so hungry. So I asked my fellow teacher, who actually went ahead to go to the 7-Eleven to buy some stuff, snacks. He offered to buy me some food while we wait. Cod roe, mentaiko. はい。で、持ってきます。はい。ありがとうございます。置いてください。せーの。どうもすいません。ありがとうございました。Refrigerator. Yes. It's already cold because it was outside. And just to let you know, this is the price. So that's about $198, which I think is pretty good because I believe brand new of this model specifically is about close to like $500. Now the service for sending it here is about $30. It's about $230, so a little less than half. That is amazing. It opens this way. Whoop. Got 3 shelving things, and this is the freezer. Perfect. And I believe they have, yeah, this is also another compartment for freezing. Let's make some tea. It has a 1.2 liter max. So turbulent. Tea! I got the next part. Basically, this is the carpet, and it's gonna go over the hot carpet, which is the heating device that will make this all go together. So there's only one left that I'm waiting for that I hope comes soon. It's from Japan Post, and it's my certification for being a sake sommelier. Yeah! This is FBO, the Food and Beverage Specialist Organization here in Japan, and so this is basically my certification that I'm a sake sommelier, but just a beginner. Come on. But the one that I really was waiting for is this one. It's a pin that says I'm an international kikizakeshi. Now dinner time with my neighbor. And I'm home, and we actually passed by a drugstore, but also sells other stuff that's like nearby. Found this one. Trash can. It actually goes a little deep. This is also detachable. This little trash can section. Yeah, so right there, yeah. This opens up. Bloop. And I can grab this guy for scrubbing, for a little scrub it up dub action. Hot carpet, actual carpet. I've actually packed these out when I worked at Amazon. It's kind of big. This is actually a gift from my girlfriend and her mom. Thank you so much. Like a purebred Labrador. Okay, so I just turned it on right now. I don't know how long it's gonna take. There's 2 main switches. One is a gradient on the heat, and the other one is hard switch. 4 options. One is off, full carpet, the left half of the carpet, and the other one is the right half of the carpet. That's pretty cool that it has that option. Oh, it's already getting warm, and it's only been like a couple of minutes since I turned it on. Let's see how long it takes. So I turned it up to full heat. Yeah, it's not like super hot that it would like burn you, but it feels good. It feels nice. Oh, within like 10 minutes, it's pretty warm. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Good night.